All rise. Support court with Judge Vunda B is now in session. Judge's case number JVB1065, McIntosh case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. McIntosh, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I think she needs to pay child support.
Okay. Just straight like
Yeah,
that?
straight. I want to get straight to the point. I just want nothing to do with it. I just want child support.
All right. Do you really know her? You just said like you don't want nothing to do with it, like you just met her yesterday.
Well, I thought I did.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, it started off like...
Buckle up. This isn't your average child support case. We're stepping into a legal fight tangled in betrayal, hurt, and competing priorities. A father is in court asking for support from his ex, but nothing here is straightforward. Both parents have been through the ringer, and now they're facing off to settle it once and for all. Expect high emotions, unexpected twists, and revelations that will leave you questioning who's really in the right.
The child now, I'm assuming it's not a baby anymore.
The child's about 6.
6? Okay.
Yeah, had him right kind of early.
Okay.
And that kind of, I think that kind of threw it off a little bit by us having a kid so early. And it should have waited a little while, but hey, baby wanted to come, so baby's here now. So
the baby wanted to come?
The baby wanted to be here, so like I said, I help out to try to get, give her a break or something. Maybe bring up some wine and cook for her every night. I don't but it don't seem to, it's just like, I guess you're going to do that after, I don't know what you call it, after the baby's here, that's some kind of phase you go through.
Okay.
Where you're not paying attention to
Postpartum.
Yeah, what you said.
Exactly,
Yeah.
that's serious. Postpartum is a serious thing to go through. So of
It
course
is.
it's going to be a
Nah,
disconnect.
not for 5 years.
How are you going to tell a woman that postpartum is something that's terrible to go through? How you never been through it, so how do you know?
Yeah, I'm waiting on that explanation too.
Please tell me.
Well, I don't know. I don't know. But all I know is I help out to try to, help out with the baby to try to understand what you're going through. That's why I try. That's why I
mental issues.
that's why I
Can
try
we
to.
stop referring to this 6-year-old as a baby?
It's my
I
child.
try to take care of our child.
But you need to be able to tend to me and the child and try to understand where I'm coming from, because depression is a mental thing.
Let's pause. Dad's frustration is bubbling over as he talks about feeling neglected since the baby's birth. He insists he's been helping, but the real question, has he been helping or just upset that his own needs aren't met? He doesn't seem to grasp the toll postpartum depression takes on a mother, yet still demands her attention. This lack of empathy sets the stage for a bigger conversation, the struggle of balancing personal needs with the demands of parenting.
Wait a minute. Behind bars.
Yeah,
Wait a minute. Mr. McIntosh, let me move over here to her so I can hear her side of the story. What is this behind bars?
Well, because of how he's been feeling, he's been feeling neglected because I was having issues with depression and taking care of my kids. So he decided to step out. So, me and my girl did some digging and I found out he stepped out on me. So you know what? I had to find out where the girl went, where she worked at.
So you went and found his new girlfriend?
I worked her butt.
He did not have to jump on it.
While she was at work?
I did. Because he's not about to play me after all this stuff I've been doing with his kid. He's not about to do that.
That's a little ratchet.
Yeah,
no
so
reason.
I did.
There was no reason.
There's nothing
That
else
was
I can
uncalled
do.
for.
I did it.
So you have a case pending on you?
I do. Unfortunately, I do. But you don't cheat on me after all this work I've been putting in taking care of your child. You gonna cheat on me? No, it's not gonna fly.
Oh.
Well, what happened to the depression? What happened to all that? You can't
it's in there. That's one of the side
You
effects.
fight my new girlfriend.
That's one of the
What
side
was the
effects.
baby while you fighting?
That's one of the side effects.
That's a great question.
Yeah,
What
you
was the
fighting
baby
with a
while
baby.
you were fighting?
Because I'm upset, I'm mad, and then you're not even
And y'all
trying
have
to
me
make
saying,
me
baby,
feel
what
better.
was the
What
child
was the
while you
child
were
while
fighting?
you were fighting my girlfriend?
Oh, that was taking care of my sister was watching the
Your
kid.
sister?
She was.
Was she in jail with you?
No, she was watching the kid, and she bailed me out.
Oh.
She was there for me. You
Her
weren't.
sister bailed her out.
You were there.
Her
She was there
sister
for
was
me.
there
So I
for
guess
her,
you talk
you
to your
weren't.
sister. You won't talk to me.
Because you don't
talk
even
to your
try
sister,
to.
but you can't talk to
You don't
me.
even try. I tried to talk to you.
It seems like you guys can't really talk to each other without getting into
Obviously
it.
not, because
So
you don't even try to listen to
I
me.
go back to
No.
my original
Yeah.
question. So who does the child stay with majority of the
Me.
time?
He stays with me, Your Honor.
Okay, so you said that the baby was better off with you because she has a assault case.
She got a soul case.
But she didn't
can't
do it in
keep a
front of
job.
the-
She can't keep a job.
How
Okay,
can I
what do
keep
you
a
do
job
for a
and not take care of
living?
the kids?
I'm in the entertainment business.
What does that mean?
I produce
Yeah, he
What are you
producing, all right.
producing?
I got several artists I'm trying to produce right now in the music business. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah, late night.
Then boom. Mom drops a bombshell. Dad cheated during their relationship. That revelation shifts the entire tone. Imagine dealing with depression, the pressures of parenting, and then learning your partner was unfaithful. Her anger ignites, and it's hard to blame her. What stings most is that Dad doesn't seem to understand the emotional weight of this betrayal. Instead, he keeps pressing for custody and support, missing just how deep the damage really runs.
Already produce some music?
it's kind of iffy right now, but I think they're gonna be okay.
Yeah, what kind of money are you making?
I'm making about 85,000.
Okay. All right, and you said you're unemployed right now.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to your job?
I had to quit because I was taking care of the kid full time.
Okay. So the child lives with her.
Stays with me.
Okay. Why didn't you file anything for today for child support?
I wasn't thinking about it. I didn't want to be malicious towards him or anything, so I didn't feel the need I had to. So that's just where I stand on that.
Okay. Is your sister also helping you with that criminal case?
She is.
Okay.
And she also helps me watch the kid if I'm needing to do anything, like any grocery shopping or anything. She helps me.
All right. So where does Dad come in?
I mean, he's rarely around. I mean, he's doing this little producing thing and stuff and meeting up with late women and stuff. You know, that's why I had this little charge. So, I mean, that's what he's doing.
It's a little charge.
I mean, it's an assault charge, but I mean, it is what it is at this point. It already happened, so.
Okay. I do agree with that. Well, sir, I'm not going to grant your request for child support today.
I'm not manipulating women. I got one girlfriend and you jumped on her.
You are. No, there's
You tell the
many
judge
more.
about-
Now, the real complexity surfaces. Dad says he wants full custody and child support, but his story doesn't quite line up. He works in the entertainment industry and earns decent money, yet claims unemployment because he's caring for the child full-time. Meanwhile, Mom's facing criminal charges and other legal issues. The real question isn't just who can raise the child, it's who's truly putting the child's needs first. Is Dad a better caretaker, or is he gaming the system?
Back to jail.
It's plenty more.
Oh,
you
okay.
know?
Well, guess what? I don't have time to hear about all of these little rendezvous today. I have other things to do, and you obviously came here to waste my time. So I'm going to deny your relief, like I said, and dismiss your case because it's obvious that the child stays with Mom primarily. You didn't dispute it when she said it. Therefore, I don't have a choice but to.
The judge isn't buying it. Dad's petition for child support is dismissed. The child lives primarily with Mom, and the court doesn't see a valid reason to award him support. The judge cuts through the relationship drama, focusing on the child's well-being. Dad's infidelity, career choices, and strained relationship with Mom don't matter here. The fact remains, Mom is the primary caregiver.
And Mom, on the other hand, if she comes back in here and says she wants child support because had she filed something today, you would actually be placed on child support today.
Me?
But yes, you at that $80,000 to $85,000 range because the child lives with her. She's telling the truth, isn't she?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm pretty sure she's telling the truth.
Then comes the harsh reality check. The judge points out that if Mom had filed for child support when Dad did, he'd likely be the one paying. But she didn't, and now it's too late. It's a blunt reminder that timing in legal matters can make or break a case.
Stuff too, but
No,
that's none of my business.
No.
So, is there anything further today, Mr. McIntosh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
In the end, Dad walks away without the child support he was seeking. But the real story here isn't about legal paperwork. It's about misplaced priorities, broken trust, and how personal grudges can overshadow what's best for a child. This wasn't just a court ruling. It was a lesson in how emotional wounds can spill over into legal battles.